Aqua Wax is the fastest way to protect your car. Before we start, I'm going to apply water to the bonnet. The water is sitting there in a sheet. This is telling me that there is no protection on this paintwork. While the car's still wet, I'm now going to apply Aqua Wax to each surface of this car. But only 2 squirts is required per panel. You can apply Aqua Wax to paint, plastic, glass and rubber. Now I've applied Aqua Wax to nearly this whole car, but I'm going to leave this section of the bonnet untreated so you can see the impact of the finish later on. I'm now going to spread the wax evenly across the surfaces using a microfiber cloth. This makes the process so fast because you are drying and waxing at the same time. And the final stage is to buff using a clean, dry microfiber to reveal a glossy water repellent finish. So I'm now going to apply water onto the bonnet. You can see how the paintwork on the treated side is protected and produces an impressive beading effect that repels the water. Aqua Wax contains real carnauba, has the protective benefits of a hard wax, but can be applied in a fraction of the time. This makes it great for topping up existing wax or sealants.